What's up guys, Satan Zuleta here at ABC Store, and today we're going to talk about one light setup for portrait. Right, so the other day Iraline Photo was doing one of her weird, crazy portraits, right? And I thought, you know what, it'll be a good chance to try to explain to people how to lit a portrait with one single light. So for that purpose, I decided to use this modifier. This is a Photex Raja 65. It is a easy to mount parabolic softbox. This comes with that inner diffuser and the external diffuser, so you can have a very good, nice, soft, even light across the surface. So starting with a subject standing in front of my camera, I decided to go with a basic butterfly setup. You know, you place your light straight up to your subject, it creates a little shadow underneath the nose, and bam, you got it. After that, I decided to make it a little bit more dramatic, so I moved the light around probably 45 degrees from my subject to create an open loop. So that creates a different effect. It's a little bit more dramatic, it's a little bit more contrasty, if you want to call it that way. So those two type of lightings have two different effects. Now I tried to do a third light setup, which was something similar to the first one with the butterfly effect. But in this case, what I did was, and let me try to explain this to you. I tried to place the light modifier almost like this. Probably you can see it better. This was the position of the light. But what this does is that it creates an even spread light. It doesn't create those nasty shadows underneath the eyes. And sometimes if the subjects have white t-shirts or something bright, it will lift up the shadows under the chin, so it will create a very nice even light for portraits. So there you have it guys, a simple way to lit up your portraits. One light, one modifier, 3 different positions, 3 different lights. So go out, try it out, and leave some comments in the video if you have any questions so I can answer it right back. If you liked the video, please share, please like, and please subscribe. Hit all the buttons and smash it if you want to. And I'll be seeing you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and you'll have a very, very, very good day.